In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use discount codes on simplycodes.com for your Turo bookings. Let's dive right into it. First, open your favorite web browser and navigate to simplycodes.com. If you're unfamiliar with Simply Codes, it's a fantastic online platform that aggregates discount codes from across the web, helping you save money on a myriad of products and services. Once the website has loaded, direct your attention to the search bar prominently displayed at the top of the home page. This search bar is your gateway to a world of savings, and using it effectively is crucial to getting the best deals available. Now, type Turo into the search bar. Turo, if you aren't already familiar, is a popular car-sharing marketplace where you can rent a car directly from its owner. It's a great service if you're looking for something more personal or specific compared to traditional car rental companies. After typing Turo, press the Enter key or click on the search icon to initiate the search. The results page should display a list of options related to Turo. Locate and click on the link that mentions Turo. By doing so, you're given access to all the discount codes that Simply Codes has compiled for Turo. This page is your treasure trove of potential savings. So take a moment to look through the various codes listed. The range of discount codes can vary, from offering a percentage off a booking to occasionally providing free rental days, so it's worth browsing through to find the code that best fits your needs. Next, choose a code that appeals to you. Each code usually comes with a description detailing the type of discount it offers and any specific conditions that might apply. Be sure to read these descriptions carefully to ensure you fulfill any necessary requirements when using the code. Once you've selected a code, click on it to reveal additional details. This step is critical, as understanding the full terms can prevent any surprises at checkout. To easily use the code, locate the copy button next to the discount code. Clicking this button will copy the code directly to your clipboard, making it simple to paste later on when you're booking your car on Turo. This convenience eliminates any chance of mistyping or forgetting the code, which ensures you get your intended discount. Now that you're equipped with your Turo discount code, head over to Turo's website and proceed with your booking as usual. When you reach the payment stage, simply paste the copied discount code into the appropriate field and enjoy the savings it brings. And there you have it. You now know how to find and use discount codes on simplycodes.com for Turo, saving you money on your next booking. Happy renting and enjoy the ride.